Are you trying to find the best auto body shop in the Waco, Texas Beverly area? If you are looking for an auto body shop in Waco's Beverly area, you can quit searching. Watch this auto body shop video for Waco Texas Beverly service, auto body repairs estimates. Are you trying to find cost-effective as well as the very best bundles for your vehicle? Do you need a vehicle expert that can assist you have your vehicle repainted as well as eliminate all the scratches? Obviously, driving when driving is extremely unforeseeable. You cannot presume or believe what might potentially occur while you head on your method to work. Even you just parked your vehicle in the shopping center great deal, or you just stop over in a highway grocery, you could be hit as well as the odd thing. There is nobody responsible to have them repaired. When you have an automobile, it is very important that you understand one dependable automobile shop that can assist you manage your vehicle problems. It is very important likewise that you select those which are located near your home, your area as well as your place of work, so you can visit them instantly when the requirement develop. Consulting the ideal automobile body shop can assist you fix all the difficulty that you're facing with your vehicle. They are specialists when it pertains to repairing, refinishing as well as even replacing a car body, window framework, glass as well as windshield. When checking for vehicle shops, it is essential that you select those that use both repainting as well as remodeling to prevent waste of time. If you don't wish to end up hopping stores from one location to one more, then this is a great recommendations to take. As accidents can occur anytime when driving, it is likewise great that you have a listing of accident center that you can check out when time happens. Really, there are numerous centers that use these services. In a matter of some minutes, these on the internet sites can supply you a great quote on the expenses that you may deal with when you have your vehicle repaired. So exactly how do these stores work? Automotive body shops can take care of all the damages of your car as well as can even make your vehicle look brand new. If the dents as well as scratches are irrelevant, replacing an old damaged part such as damaged windshield or scraped door can be done swiftly. For major repair services, such as replacing the whole door of your car or replacing the full bumper, can take some time as well as may be expensive, particularly if you don't have insurance coverage. For you to have a best vehicle, vehicle hubs are employing professional vehicle body as well as glass repairers or service technicians. Automobile body shop as well as accident centers are very important for all people who has as well as who drives a car. When you are out when driving, it is considerable that you have to get in touch with numbers of those stores to assist you during unforeseen circumstances. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.